Hi guys, this is Soumya and you're watching Trendbuz. So today I have a very interesting topic for you guys. I'm going to do a Valentine day look makeup, and these products are really affordable. You can use it and you can purchase it as well. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve a easy Valentine day look. So if you want to know how can I transform this to this, then please keep on watching. So guys, I've already moisturized my face with this Joy and Honey Almond. You can use it on body, you can use it on face, so it's totally good. So I've already applied moisturizer and I'm going to start with my cream. And today I'm going to use the Verime, it's a Oriflame cream and it's really lightweight. So you can use it on day purpose. So I'm going to take it just a little bit on the back of my hand. It has shimmer also, so if you are a person who don't like highlighter, so you can't use it. And I'm going to take my beauty blender. This is the Forever 21. I recently discovered this. Just take a little bit amount of your cream and just patting it over on your face and blend it well. This cream is going to give you a really sheen kind of a structure, and the formula is really nice. Take time here while blending your cream, your foundation, anything, BB cream. If you are a person of a high coverage, you can use foundation as well. As I'm not feeling to do foundation today, that's why I'm using this light cream. And yes, do not forget to apply some cream on your neck, because your face and your neck should be look like equal and unity. Yeah, so cream part is done. If you have like a dark under eye like circle, so you can use a little bit concealer, as fortunately I don't have any dark circles. So, and I'm going to move on to my powder, and I'm using this Maybelline Compact. This is really nice, and it's going to give you a really full coverage as well. I'm going to take and just dust it off and mattify my face, because my T-zone is really oily. You can set your face, entire your face with this. This comes with a sponge also. If you are a sponge person, you can use a sponge as well. Yeah, that's done. Now I'm going to move on to the blush. I'm using the Mars blush and it's in the shade number 1. It is available on Flipkart, you can purchase it, and the shade variety is really nice, and the pigmentation is so on point. I mean, you can see how much pigmentation is just like insane. Do not forget to dust it off. I'm just going to dust this thing and just apply on the apple of my cheeks, as I wanted to look very fresh and like dewy, that's why. Yeah, so the blush is like really pigmented. I have to get back my beauty blender and just pat it down. Once you feel happy with your blush, you can apply some amount of highlighter. I'm using the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick highlighter in the shade number 04. It's really blinding kind of a highlighter, and I'm going to pick the upper shade, because it's sort of really light, although rest of all are really pinky. Just take the highlighter and apply it on your high point of face, some of your cheekbones, and a little bit on your forehead, because you move, so the highlighter is going to like really pop it up. And some of the cupid's bow and the chin as well. The high points are really like camera focusing, so when you are clicked, the high points of your face gonna really look nice and shiny as well. And now I'm going to do my brow job. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Duo pencil. It's really nice. You can use the powder part and pencil part, whatever your liking is. And the powder part is just under there, so you have to like really dig it in and apply on your brow. It comes really handy if you are a person like me to do the brow really fast. So you can apply this. Just going to shaping and filling the gaps. And with the spoolie, do not forget to comb your eyebrows as well in the last. It will gonna give you a really finishing eyebrows. This will help to distribute the product in your eyebrows as well. And the trick is like multitasking. So I'm going to use the blush, my blush, as my crease color because I'm wearing red and the blush contains red and pink, so it will look great. So I'm just going to take a little bit amount of shadow, dusting it off, and right above my crease, just buffing it all over. I just want a hint of color, not the proper crease color and everything. Yeah, colors is looking really nice now. And for the equality and for the unity, I am going to apply same color as well my lower lash line. Just take a little bit amount. You can apply mascara, some lipstick and you're good to go, but I'm like today I'm doing my liner as well because it's going really simple. So once you're happy with the transition color and everything, let's just move on to the liner quickly. I'm using the Lotus Hypertonic Porcelain liner. It's really black. I've already mentioned in my previous video. So today I'm going to a very cat eye look sort of. So I'm going to make a wing and just start with the mid area if you are a beginner. Starting off with the mid. Follow your natural eye shape and just start with to joining the line. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's do the same on another eye as well because I'm going to like flick the wing at the end. Yeah, so your eyes are sort of looking like equal, then you can just create your cat eye. Just flick this thing and take upwards like this, like a wing, and do this job on this another eye as well. Yeah, so it's sort of looking like equal. Don't worry if it's not looking equal, it's not a matter. Yeah. And then for very last, I'm going to use a lipstick which is the matte look, and the shade number is 02 Blonde Red. Color is so gorgeous. And the pigmentation is really nice. You can purchase it from like Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere. It's available. Like you can see, one single swipe is so red. Guys, if you want any video like sort of a lip contouring regarding to lips, just comment down in the comment section below. I will love to do that for you guys because I know I have a very small lip. That's why I like sometimes love to do lip contouring as well. So I'm done with my look. And at the end you can take a fluffy brush and just make together your makeup, like just dusting off everything. Yeah, so I am done with my makeup look. Guys, do not forget to like mention in the comment section below that how I'm looking, you like the lips color and everything. So I'm gonna like put the detail of the makeup products in the description bar below. You can check it out. And till then, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay connected whenever I upload a video. Until then, bye bye guys.